Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to use the MasterWise summary report in Edit Log Summary. Press Alt-G. Type or select Edit Log Summary MasterWise. The MasterWise summary report appears. Select a type of master and press Enter to drill down to the Edit Log Summary Masters screen. Press Alt F5 to toggle between the detailed and condensed view of the masters with their versions. Press F9 to see all the versions of the altered master. You can select the altered activity of the master and press Enter to see the differences between edit log versions. The changes across the different edit log versions are highlighted in red. By default, only the altered information is displayed on the screen. If you want to view all the information along with the unchanged details, press F12 and set Show Altered Values Only to know. Additionally, you can configure the MasterWise summary report in Edit Log Summary as per your business requirement. In the MasterWise summary, press F5 to remove the default filters applied through basis of values and display all your masters. Pressing F5 again will reapply the default filter settings to the report. Press F8 and update the report details to view logs created or changed during the selected period. In the Report Details subscreen, for selected version period, enter the from and to dates to get data about the available versions of the masters in that particular period. You can select all version periods to view all available versions of the masters. In the MasterWise summary, press F9 to display the total version count for the filtered masters considering all available versions. Selecting the F9 option again will revert the report to display only the configured versions as per the version filter set in basis of values. Press Ctrl B to configure the report with specific values. From the list of configurations, select Show Report For to filter the report based on the activity type that exists for various types of masters. You can select the type of masters and type of activity to filter your report. From the list of configurations, select Username to configure the report based on required usernames from the security level. From the list of users, select the required username to configure the report for a specific username. Additionally, you can select the Specify Username option to configure the report based on the usernames that existed in the security levels but have now been deleted or renamed. From the list of configurations, select the View Versions for option to see the masters based on their versions that were altered during a specific period. You can select all version periods to view all available versions of the masters. In the Report Details subscreen, enter the from and to dates for selected version period to get data about the available versions of the masters in that particular period. Press Ctrl H to view the report with a different set of data. From the list of views, select UserWise Master Summary to get a clear overview of the edit activities carried out by each user in TallyPrime. Select a username and press Enter to drill down to the type of masters. Under Related Reports, you can select Voucher Typewise Summary Report to see the edit activities for altered vouchers. Similarly, You can select List of all vouchers to get a comprehensive list of all the types of vouchers for the entire report in one place. It offers you an overall view of altered or non-altered transactions. In the MasterWise summary, press F12 to configure a sorting method and select a parameter based on which you wish to sort the report. As you saw, you can use the MasterWise summary to view the altered and deleted masters such as groups, ledgers, and stock items and explore the various configurations within the report. Thank you.